Good morning, class. I am uploading this video so that we could go over together how to write an outline for the poem Ithaca. So we're going to be writing a summary response essay, which we will begin drafting next week. This outline sort of serves as a blueprint for how you're going to go about writing your paper. Now, I've uploaded a video from RWC, which stands for Read, Write, and Cite, in the week 2 module, which you may have already watched. I suggest you watch it before watching this video. It gives you a lot of good ideas and tips on how to write an outline. But I thought it'd be a good idea to just sort of go over a hypothetical essay based on the poem Ithaca. So let me share my screen. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys can see this well. So we have here the Ithaca outline. You're going to start off. I like to use Roman numerals because they help organize things better for me. And typically when you're writing a outline, Roman numerals are the preferred way to go about it. Call me old school, but I find that they're the most effective to remember, to help me remember. So we have our introduction. So now everything that goes inside the Roman numeral is going to be included in that specific paragraph. So you'll notice that we have 5 Roman numerals because we are going to have 5 paragraphs for this essay. So in the introduction, you have your introductory sentences, which are not the thesis statement. These are the sentences that introduce what you're going to be speaking about in the essay. So in this introductory sentence, in this hypothetical paper, Ithaca contains much symbolism. Then we have our all-important thesis statement. Ithaca is a poem that represents the journey of life. So this is the main idea that you're going to be arguing and supporting for the rest of the essay. And then underneath that, indented the numbers 1, 2, 3, we have Exhibit A, symbolism. So that's going to be one of your body paragraphs, is going to be speaking about symbolism specifically. You're going to pull references from the text that support the idea that symbolism is in this poem. Exhibit B, how that symbolism points to a journey, the journey of life, as explained in our thesis statement. And Exhibit C, my own life experiences in relation to the poem. So you can see how these paragraphs organically bridge to each other. You start off in body paragraph 1 by talking about symbolism. In body paragraph 2, you talk about how that symbolism points to a journey. And then in body paragraph number 3, you talk about how the symbolism that points to a journey is relatable to your own life, and how the poem itself can be looked at as symbolic of your own journey. So let's go to the body paragraphs. Body paragraph 1, an in-depth explanation of Exhibit A, show examples of symbolism in the poem. We can see that here. It's very important when you are crafting an academic essay that when you're arguing for things inside the poem in your body paragraphs, you use text from the source material to support your claim. So since we're talking in this body paragraph about the poem Ithaca and the symbolism inside that poem, we want to bring out examples of symbolism in the poem. We could talk about Phoenician trading stations. We can talk about Cyclops. We could talk about the Laestrygonians and what they represent. These are the types of things you're going to want to speak about when you're talking about symbolism in a body paragraph. Body paragraph number 2, represented by the Roman numeral number 3, because this is the 3rd paragraph of the essay. Remember, this is organized very neatly. The symbolism referenced in the essay ultimately points to the main symbolism. The poem is a poem about the journey of life. Now, what you would do in this paragraph, since we've already gone over symbolism in body paragraph number 1, you're going to find the symbolism that points to the main idea that the poem is ultimately about the journey of life. I'm not going to tell you where to look. It should be self-explanatory where you can find in-text references to this sort of symbolism. But really, it is sort of acts as a synthesis for all of the symbolism that you spoke about in body paragraph number 1. And finally, we go to body paragraph number 3, denoted by the Roman numeral number 4, because this is our 4th paragraph, how it relates to your life. This is the response part of the summary response essay. Some examples: where are you at this point of your journey? What hurdles have you seen? You could say something like, where are you going? What's your ultimate destination? What's your Ithaca? Again, these are ideas that are potential sources of inspiration for your body paragraph number 3. And then number 5, your 5th paragraph, is your conclusion. Simply recap the introductory paragraph. Do not restate it word for word. You want to say in so many words why your introductory paragraph and the body paragraphs that follow it are true. So this is a very brief 1-page outline that serves as a blueprint for your summary response essay. Now, if you want to take any of the ideas from this outline, feel free to do so. I just want to see you writing, in your own voice. I want to hear your voice come out, your authentic, unique spin on what this poem means, and more specifically, what it means to you and to your life experience. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And that's basically it. It's very simple. You don't have to do Roman numerals. You don't have to organize it A, B, and then 1, 2, 3. You can organize it how you want, as long as it's organized. As long as I could see that this is the introductory paragraph, and these are the points that are going to be included in the introductory paragraph. This is the body paragraph number 1. This is what I'm going to put in body paragraph number 1. This is body paragraph number 2. This is what I'm going to put in body paragraph number 2, and so on and so on. I don't think you're going to have a hard time with this. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me via my office hours, via email, via cell phone. I'm always around. I have my phone on me at all times, and I will get back to you as soon as I get the message. Thanks, guys.